you
Hi.
just demonstrated the stomach 36 on your legs, and you press and you stimulate. And so what is the reason we use the stomach 36 so often?
Stomach 36 is great for decreasing oxidative stress in the brain, improve circulation in the brain. Vagus nerve is a close relationship with the two.
Yes. So actually, there are some research in Harvard Medical School. A Chinese scientist did that. How stomach 36 and other points influence the vagus nerve. When we get older, the vagus nerve become weaker. So that's why older people tend to have irregular heartbeat, tend to have digestive issue. Yeah, because vagus nerve is relaxing, digesting. So when you're relaxing, digest well, then you absorb nutrients better. And the whole modern world, we just keep stimulating our nerves, and the vagus nerve become weaker and weaker.
You don't really hear a lot about the vagus nerve, but I think it's important to know about it because it affects so much of our body.
Yes. See, there is an article in 2000 Nature, and actually the scientists stimulated the vagus nerve.
Oh, really?
And they try to slow down the heartbeat, to make the digestion, the intestinal tract contract regularly. So you won't have like a constipation or stomach or abdominal pain. And that's how important the vagus nerve. Not only that, vagus nerve can help balance the immune system.
Oh my God, what a blessing. We're all unbalanced with the immune system. That's what we're all suffering from.
Yes, and remember during the COVID, and people will die from the lung inflammatory responses. So the scientists use stomach 36. The scientists create a model, sepsis model in animal.
I heard that.
Yes, and then when the bacterial level get to a certain level, then your immune system just have very strong response. So you have inflammation in your lung, in your heart, in your kidney. But when they needle stomach 36 in the animals using different frequency, different intensity, actually animal surviving rate is increasing.
Survive sepsis. Wow,
yes.
From stomach 36.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, that's right.
That's profound.
Yes. And the mechanism is similar as Chinese medicine. We always talk yin and yang, how it balanced, right?
We're all about balance. Our illnesses are caused from imbalance.
Yes. And they explain that in this review article, how stomach 36 can influence the balance between two kinds of macrophage. So the macrophage is a natural immune response to the bacteria. So one kind of macrophage will enhance the inflammatory response. The other side will facilitate the tissue repair.
Wow.
So if the inflammatory side is too much, then you got damage. You got a chronic, strong inflammation.
I think this explains why we say stomach 36 is the earth element. If our earth is balanced, we are stable, we are grounded, we are feeling equilibrium is balanced.
Yes. So stomach 36, when you demonstrated, you press that, you can lie down or you can sit, but there's a lot of pressure there.
I think it's a go-to point for when you have stomach ache, when you're sick, when you're seasick. Again, it's a point that we should all know about.
Yes. So everybody can go back our demonstration for stomach 36. You can press that daily when you meditate.